this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your TradingOcta app. If you are getting distracted or you can't trade with this app because the app can't open, it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, or any other error that you might be encountering, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So you can either do this on Android smartphone or iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll show you how to do it on Android. Now, to get started, you need to access the TradingOcta app info page. You can do that by going to settings on your phone and access the app info page. But the shortcut method is just to long press on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear next here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access TradingOcta app info page. From here, we first need to stop any processes that might be running in the background on this app by tapping on force stop, and then I'll confirm this. Once you are done, now you need also to clear cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. If I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data, and I'm interested in this cache data. So when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go to clear data down below and choose clear cache, and finally OK. And look at that, now our over 1 GB cache data has been cleared to 0. Now you need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted it, open your app, and now everything should be okay. However, should you still encounter any issue, then come back again here and go to clear data again, and this time around clear all data to have a fresh start. One thing you have to note is that when you clear all data, you will need to log in afresh to your TradingOcta app because you'll be logged out. However, should this not fix your problem, then you need to check for any update for your app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store, then update your app. For my case, I already have an up-to-date app. At this point, now you'll have an access to the latest version of TradingOcta Smart Trading app. But should you still experience issues such as your app is crashing, for that you need to uninstall your app and then install it afresh. This will clear any bugs that might be associated with your app. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.